Wow. Look, you can go right through.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Today, I'm on my way to a lesser known beach on the island of Milos. And again, I'm going to let the young Greeks pronounce the name of the beach.
Alogomandra.
Say it again, please.
Alogomandra.
That is, you guys say it so beautifully.
The beach is just a couple kilometers off the road between Plaka and Polonia on the northern side of the island. If you're on Milos and are looking for a less crowded beach, this might be a good choice. It has some very unique features, as you will see shortly.
Wow. This looks like a great beach to me. I mean, it's like middle to late September. It's kind of a cloudy day. I noticed it was less crowded in town in Adamus today on Milos. But this beach, there aren't a lot of people. It's very sandy. The water's crystal clear. There are a bunch of cool places to swim. Look at this. It's fantastic. I might stay here for a while. Where are you guys from?
From Byron Bay, Australia.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You?
America?
Yeah.
Seattle?
Seattle. There's been a few Seattles.
Really?
Yeah.
See, can I film you swimming through?
That's so fun.
I have a small YouTube channel.
Oh, lovely.
Look, you can go right through.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah. Wow, this is a pretty special beach, I think.
Isn't it gorgeous?
Yeah. Wow.
If you do come here, just know there are no amenities, no bathroom or changing room. Bring plenty of water and some food. I spent most of the day here. There is some shade for under a few trees, but I always buy a €10 beach umbrella and bring it with me.